good podcast for us is based on mainly the content of the podcast. So the focus of the topic, so don't be too broad, be specific, and the quality of the questions. To set up a podcast, there are a few steps you need to consider. First, you need to have adequate equipment to record, so you need a microphone of some sort. Then you need to be able to have access to a location where you can record without a lot of background noise. Regarding the recording, there are also online tools, so you can do recordings remotely. Zencaster is one of those tools. And then once you have the episode, you need a platform where you can host the audio file, so where you can upload that, and that platform will help you spread the audio file on different channels like Apple Podcasts or Spotify. For me, a couple of good business podcasts for entrepreneurs are Masters of Scale, where Reid Hoffman, the founder of LinkedIn, is the host and interviews successful entrepreneurs around the globe. Another interesting podcast is This Week in Startups by Jason Calacanis.
The podcasts I really like is a podcast called Traction, and they show how to go from zero to the first initial traction to get your business started from 0 to 1. And they do something very similar that we do at Nerdentrepreneurs, but they unfortunately stopped producing, and that's why we also started with ours.